Right, this is our new, old Spectrum that we converted to be a USB Spectrum. Got our own little sticker on the back, ZX USB 001, because this is the prototype at the moment. And basically we're hoping to manufacture these or make the board that anybody can just put in their own Spectrum, or that will populate for you. More likely just the board on its own. However, here we go. It's basically, first thing we're going to do is try it with a Galaxy Note 10.1 2014 edition. So as you can see, it's a simple printer type USB cable. Plug that in the back, and then because this doesn't have a USB socket like some tablets do, like the Asus, we have to use an on-the-go cable, which is already plugged in. Right, so we're about to load up the Spectaculator emulator, but first, before we do that, just to say, on this particular tablet, if you leave it on the Samsung keyboard, it actually has a small issue with some of the key presses. For instance, the QWERTY keyboard will work fine, but if you use symbol shift and P for the quotes, they don't appear on the Spectrum. So what I have to do is select Hacker's Keyboard, which I'll just show you here. Go into Controls, and we've got there Hacker's Keyboard. That is a free keyboard on the store, and I think it is still free. So if you want to try that, that'll be fine. Anyway, so we'll load up your Spectaculator. Now we'll load up your 48K basic. Get rid of the keyboard on there because we don't actually need it. And now when we do something, we want to load something, for instance, enter. Obviously it's not going to do anything. Press break. Job done. So we can 10, print, USB spec it. Go to 10, all this done with the Spectrum, and then run. Right, so there's our thing, and just to prove that we're actually using the keyboard and not just using another Bluetooth keyboard or a normal keyboard or another USB keyboard, we're going to prove now that that's exactly what it does. So 30, print, so as you can see, that works fine. Load, quotes, enter, break. As you can see,